This is amazing. I love the bed though. Wow. Hello guys, welcome back another day. We are here trying to show you another apartment, not only for renting but also buying. This is how I'm gonna go, in style. Let's go. Anyways guys, come here. This is the apartments, let me show you. I guess this is the security entrance. Oh, I like that. I don't have to walk, you know? I don't have to walk. I like that. That's classy. So I'll give you all the information about the house after the tour. Stay tuned. Okay. Two bedroom. Okay, 2 bedroom. So this is 1 bedroom with a bathroom. Let's see the bathroom. Okay, it's not bad. So this house is for sale. It has AC. This is the balcony. Wow. Okay. Then you have one bedroom here as well. AC, but the bathroom is outside. Okay. The kitchen. Okay. Why is the Chinese houses always small, tiny? Yeah? Anyways, this is one. So we're gonna go see another one and then we'll continue.
Studio.
This one is a studio.
Studio.
Wow.
Simple room.
Wow. I like the studio. Hey. This is amazing. Wow. Let's see the balcony first. You have some washer here. I love the bed though. Wow. The design is nice. Is it furnished or just
Half furnished.
half furnished? So it comes with the fridge and everything?
Yeah.
Wow.
No electric. No.
No, you have to buy your own.
Electric half air.
Only AC?
Half.
Only, okay, okay. The bathroom, let's see.
TV.
No TV, no microwave, you have to buy everything. Okay, okay. So the bathroom, wow. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like the studios are actually more appealing than 2 bedroom. Or maybe because it's furnished. Wow, and it smells really nice, this house. I really love the design. Look at this. Amazing. I would definitely. How much is this one? 2.5 million baht. I will tell you guys the dollar amount in the video, but 2.5 million baht for the studio. Wow, that's interesting. Looks like the design is almost like for a woman. I love it. So I just looked at the amount. It's about 68,000 US dollar for this studio. I think that's really good. 68,000. Wow. I think that's very cheap compared to, You know, even in Kenya, I did some videos like this, guys, and the studios were actually much higher in some areas in Nairobi. So guys, I'm being told that the higher up is cheaper than usually. Like if you want the 10th floor, 9th floor, 5th floor, it's more expensive. But once you go above all, like 33rd floor, 40th floor, it's cheaper. I understand. But for me, I would definitely take up floor because obviously I like the view. But everybody's budget is different. And I'm also told that if you want them to furnish it for you, they can definitely do it. You just have to add extra money. But if you don't want them to furnish for you, you get the keys to the house without anything. You buy everything, your fridge, your microwave, your TV, all of that. For me, I think furnished looks nice. Look at this. You don't have to do too much. You just have to, you know what? You just have to just say, you know, here's, take my money and just do my, wow. You know, usually Thai houses or Thai beds are hard. This one is not so bad. It looks very comfortable. So we're going to go see another one. What is it? Three bedroom. We're going to go see 3-bedroom. Whether it's furnished, I'm not sure, but we're going to go see it. And then this one, 68,000 US dollar. Let me know in the comment section. Is it worth it? Would you buy this? This is 1 bedroom. Okay. Wow. So you have your living room here, your TV here. We will come back to the bedroom, but let's look at the kitchen and the bathroom. The kitchen is here. It looks legit. It comes with the balcony, obviously. You can look at. You got the view of the city here. Let's just look. Okay. So the kitchen, obviously, all of this doesn't come, it's extra. Is this a closet? I'm wondering. Then you got your washer here. Wow, the bathroom. Ooh, guys, really love this. So, this is the toilet. Bathroom. Wow. Very nice. Let's go to the bedroom now. Wow. You got your AC running. This is amazing. You got your mirror here, dresser. Obviously, this is the balcony. Well, not balcony, but the window. So, wow. This is so nice. Look at it. And you got your dinner. So guys, as I was saying, this is 95,000 US dollars, basically, which is 3.5 million baht. So is this doable? Would you buy this type of place? And the studio was 68,000 US dollar, and the 2-bedroom was $150,000. You know, I don't know if you guys remember, but some of you might remember I showed you guys some houses in Kenya. Those houses cost so much, and it doesn't come with Thailand. You know what I mean? It doesn't come with so much options. But I really love this. $150,000 for 2-bedroom. Come on. In America, you can get 2-3-bedroom house for like $500,000 or even more. So, would you buy this? I would. For me, I think this 1-bedroom, I think for me this would work. The 1-bedroom would work well for me, you know, because everything is nice and cut off. You can even close this when you're cooking. Nothing has to come to your bedroom, and everything. The kitchen is separate. You can close it. You know, the food doesn't have to come out, and then the door, you can close it, everything. So let me know, would you buy this? And also, if you guys need more information, I'm gonna put their information. If you wanna buy a house, contact them in the comments. We are walking to the swimming pool, gym, playground area, so stay tuned. Okay, this is the pool. I like this. Somebody's over here taking photos. Wow, very nice. This is the gym now. What do you guys think? Let's go upstairs. This is the yoga room. Okay. Please take off your shoes. Okay. Yeah, basketball court as well. Wow. Yeah, you can tell it's a playground kid. You see little kids over here. Wow. So guys, this is the kids section, kids swimming pool. The kids can swim here, and you know, it's a family space basically. And then I showed you over there, that's where they play. This lady is over here taking photos, annoying her boyfriend or husband. But it's very nice. I like it. I like the fact that kids are included in the picture, you know? Where the other apartments in Ramkhamheang, it was more like individuals. I didn't see any kids related. So now we're gonna go see the workspace where people work, chill, eat, you know. Let's go. Wow. Now this is nice. There's locker. Ooh, it has sauna. Perfect. Hey. You got some locker here to put your things in, you know. I like that. This is more showers, more bathroom. This is all public, like anybody who lives in the building can use it, you know. I love it. Okay, so if you want some chill spot here, if you want to come out here evening time and you just want to sit over here, get a nice view of the city, you could do that. Look, you can see the whole city from up here. Wow. For real. What do you guys think of this building? Let me know. I'm really loving this. I'm really loving these condos. Like I'm one of those people that whenever I go to a place, I'm always like, I need to move here. I love here. Obviously, it's not the reality. I got things in life, but still, would I live here? Hell yes. What you mean? Apartment with everything, gym and everything? Come on, dude. So guys, this is a workspace. Especially for people that live in the house. Guys, that is it. Would you buy these? Oh, they even have a hair salon and barber shop here. That's amazing. But anyways, these houses are for sale. If you're interested, go to the description and the contact information is there for any inquiries you have. Especially if you're a foreigner, you will be welcomed. So let me know in the comment section, would you buy these type of houses? And what do you think of them? Thank you guys so much. Appreciate all the love and support for liking my video and watching my video. Much love. See you till next time.